Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, January 14. The time is around 4:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the DAX. This is a 45 minutes chart, and we can see right here that this pullback over here at 12,888 ended with 4. Since then we have started the next leg higher. So therefore this is already within the wave 5 in blue, and the wave 5 subdivides into another 5 waves, and this is wave 1 of 5 here as a 5 waves, and then this is wave 2 of 5 as a WXY. So this is double correction, and then now we have started the wave 3 to the upside. Okay, so wave 3 of 5. So as long as the pullback stays above this 12,947, then we like to continue to see the DAX to see for the upside. Obviously we don't like selling it because the right side remains higher, remains bullish, and this is sort of the first degree bullish pivot right now, 12,947 short-term bullish pivot, and as far as the pullback stays above there, the index can continue to extend higher. So we should be ending with one of 3 soon as a 5 waves, pullback in 3 waves before higher again. Alright, so now looking at the larger degree, remember this is a wave 4 in blue. I'm looking at the daily chart now. This is a partial count. If you do want to see all the full count of different time frames, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. We also got a 50% platinum promotion right now, so in case you want to subscribe. Now here, this is the wave 4 in blue, same as the wave 4 in blue here that we saw earlier in the 45 minutes chart. If you look at it from this low, which is from August 15, okay, from August 15, then it does look like it has a clear 5 waves up. If you look at it from August 15, so we got this 1 in blue, 2 in blue, 3 in blue, and then this is the 4 in blue that we mentioned over here. Okay, and then since then we have started the next leg higher again in the wave 5. Now it looks to me that that within the wave 5 so far we only have 3 waves, 1, 2, and then 3 so far. So that suggests that at the least we should be ending this as a 5 wave subdivision, and so far we have only 3, right? So that suggests that another leg higher potentially is likely still, just like what the 1 hour chart here is showing. All right, now if you look at it from December 2018, the index at this point, and this one looks like a 5 way, so this one is an expanded flat, at this point has already reached 100%. Doesn't mean it has to go down. I mean, it can still extend higher within this 100% area, still a big area. And also again, this one looks incomplete. So again, as far as we stay above here, then the pullback, we should continue to extend higher, at least one more leg higher at minimum. Now what can be the alternate? Well, the alternate perhaps can be counted because this is a 3 waves, and so far we have not really extended a lot, I mean too much higher from the previous high. So alternate can also become some sort of a flat from here. So we can have a ABC flat like this. Alright, either this is wave 4 or some other wave, but if it is a flat, then it's gonna fail below this invalidation level. So only a flat can basically derail this idea here at this point. Okay, but that will be the alternate, and I think other stocks, index, basically the overall view of the market seems to suggest more upside is more likely at this point in time. So that's what our view is with the DAX. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.